4757 4753 46th Southwest. Dates July 18th, 2022. I'm making this recording from the 4-inch diameter Schedule 40 cleanout here on the north side of 4757. I'm going to pull back. We're looking at city main now. The city's come out and done a new connection point here and repair. So off the main, you come back immediately into 6-inch diameter SDR 35 PVC. This was replaced by the city. So it looks like they replaced about 5 feet of pipe off of that main. We will zero out our footage. And as we come back now, we're in the shared section of pipe between the two homes. There is a offset lip, probably another 5 feet back off of the city's repair. Potential for sewage to catch, potential for further degradation of the pipe and the structural integrity of the pipe. Coming back towards the property line now, and the property, probably sidewalk area, and then back on property. First landmark we should see is 4751's connection to this shared line. Right there. 4753, excuse me. It's right there. I'm going to pause and locate the spot. Okay, got that located about 5 feet deep in between the two properties. Kind of right about dead center line there. Come back a couple more feet and back into the 4-inch diameter section now. So this is a 4-inch by 6-inch diameter shift. And with that shift, we are back in 4757's personal sewer line. All 4-inch diameter clay, original to the home. Got a tie-in on the right side, possibly for the downspout at the corner of the home here. And then back into the plastic PVC, or the PVC plastic that's associated with this cleanout. There's a cleanout making this recording from. I'm going to end the video there.